Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I made this image. Well, I didn't make it. I shot this image long time ago. My schoolwork. Well, original is reversal film. Some of you guys know, right? I scanned reversal film, 120 film. Then I ate it with nano banana in Korea. Then expand to little bit big size. The image is this. Took out grainy texture, then sharpen the original image. Then correct the color. A little more shadow details, yeah? That's great. Okay, this is the edit and enhanced base image. I made line drawing type image from this base image. Now it's all same work using fine edges on Adobe Photoshop. Made line drawing type image, then I change blend mode to luminosity 50% out of this base enhanced image. Got this. Then duplicate base image. Change blend mode to color max opacity out of this halftone image. Got very subtle color. Then same base image, duplicate again, change blend mode to overlay max opacity out over this image. Got this one. Too light. So tone down this line drawing type image. Opacity about this. Then duplicate base image. I want to tone down highlight area. Then change blend mode to darker color. Then opacity down, maybe about this. How's it? Tone down this highlight area. Base image is this to this. That's better. Okay, I'm gonna make group 5 layers. Then I'm gonna fix this image as a 1 layer better image. So duplicate this group. Then flatten this group image. Alright. Now turn off this better layer. Then in this group, duplicate this, turn off this darker color. Then duplicate this line drawing type image. Okay. Over this light image, I'm gonna combine models better image from this better layer. Add mask. Invert this mask. Okay. Brush is airbrushing to soft brush. Pick the color white. Max opacity. About this size. Okay. Open model's face. Need some warm colors on skin tone, yeah? About this. Okay. Now let's see. Duplicate this better layer. Then bottom layer. Delete this mask. Then change blend mode to not much color saturations. How about overlay this time? Or hard light? Let me try this. Opacity max, hard light. Now I'm gonna add white layer over this better layer. Then fill this layer with white. Then change this white layer to clipping mask. This time we don't see the image underneath, so tone down this white layer clipping mask. Just want to add painting on this clipping layer. Okay, change the brush, drawing to evolve, then pick the color from this base image, yeah? Maybe dark greenish, moss green. Okay. Let me see, tone down all the way. And then I'm gonna paint on this so we see the colors well. Okay, now opacity back on this white clipping layer. Then I'm gonna smudge this painting. Same texture. Evolve. Let's see. Tone down. Touch. So I can think about moving. Yeah, so we can see the direction of this texture of the brush, yeah? Okay, about this. Now, because of this hot light blend mode, it's showing different expression, yeah? Let me see, change this to opacity back to max. That's an interesting effect. That's kind of interesting though. Change blend mode on this white clipping layer. That's what I used yesterday. Base blend mode is overlay. If I change this, go so much darker. Okay, that's interesting. Combination of this blend mode, bottom layer, better image, and this white clipping layer. Okay, new try. That's great. Change both blending mode. Find out some interesting expressions, yeah? Okay, just leave it lighten. Okay, then white clipping layer is lighten and bottom layer is color burn. Okay, use these combinations. Then I'm gonna add. Okay, how about duplicate this white clipping layer. I want to add white layer over this. Keep these paintings. Then change this upper layer back to normal layer. Then add mask. Okay, then when you mask this, show this image, right? Okay, now mask with evolve texture, change color to black, opacity go thin opacity about 20% first, yeah. This, then texture is a little bit high, big. Now I want to play around with texture smudge tool, big size. Okay, now open this model's image. Kind of fun. Okay, open this window. Pretty fun, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna add color, warm up model skin tone. Add very top, add layer, change blend mode to color. Then change brush to soft brush, warm up model skin tone. Okay, now I'm gonna add gradation color. Okay, under this better layer. Okay, in between white and better layer, add layer. Okay, then paint with soft brush. Okay, then add mask. Invert this mask. Open this mask with Evolve. Okay, then touch darken. Okay, now go for overall image. Let me see, a little more pop-up models shadow area. Duplicate this better layer. Then upper layer. Change blend mode to screen. Tone down. Okay, then fill this mask with black. Then open this mask with soft brush. touch. Okay, then add some highest light. Use this line drawing type image. Duplicate. Move this one all the way top. Change blend mode to divide. Nice highest light. Okay, add mask. Invert this mask. Now open this again. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's it. Let's fix colors. Little more warm up. This model. Okay, fix some these colors. Yeah, smudge these paintings. Yeah, about this. Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, from this base image, add luminosity blend mode and color blend mode, overlay blend mode over this base image. No darker color, yeah? Light image. Add color blend mode. Then I add white clipping layer. Painted on clipping layer. Add some smudge on these paintings. Then duplicate same white clipping layer. Change back to normal layer. Wet mask. Okay, then I add gradation colors wet mask. Then add model's image wet mask. Need more warm up colors, so add color blend mode to warm up model's skin tone and hair. Then lighten model's highest light. Give it catch light and stuff. That's nice. Then lighten shadow area with screen blend mode. So a little more pop up above some model's image. Yep. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope you're gonna find some idea for your creative work. You guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Good day. And thank you.